Hi and welcome to the Kemp IT Law Vlog. I'm Deirdre. New tech, software and the cloud is driving an increase in the number of digital transformation projects in various different markets: financial services, law firm, retailers. These projects can be expensive, time-consuming, complex and involve representatives from each part of the organisation. Our experience advising on a number of these projects recently has resulted in the creation of our 5 top tips for digital transformation projects. With apologies for stating the obvious, the first recommendation is to review the current IT stack and systems, understand what's there, what each component of hardware and software does, and how it relates to the proposed transformation. Once this has been done, the next step is to identify all relevant licenses and T's and C's that are in effect. In some cases, this is easier said than done. Legacy contracts in place for 10 plus years may be difficult to locate, and the intricate web of paperwork may take time to work through. Our third tip is to understand the relationships and interdependencies between or among vendors and implementation partners. Governance processes are a really valuable tool here to ensure good information flow, to keep all parties on track and accountable for their obligations, and to ensure that decisions are made at the appropriate times. It's also worth considering who should act as the linchpin. This may be the customer or the prime contractor or integrator if the customer wants to have one throat to choke if things go wrong. Our fourth top tip is to ensure that appropriate support is available to procurement and legal teams to assist in the contracting process. Ideally, this is someone with knowledge of the entire project, supported by subject matter experts when required. This is crucial to ensuring that those negotiating the legal documents understand the interrelationships between different technology vendors and the implications of breaches or failures of one vendor for the entire project. Without this support, it's much more difficult to ensure that the documentation addresses all risks. Our final tip is to recognise that the complexity of digital transformation projects means that things may take a bit longer than planned. It's important that all interested parties have the opportunity to contribute, are aware of the importance of deadlines and timely responses, the estimated duration of each step in the process, and what will happen if timelines slip. Adopting the tips I've discussed will help streamline the process and hopefully minimize delays due to lack of paperwork, understanding, and input. If you'd like to find out more about cloud contracting, AI, and other new technologies, please see our blogs, vlogs, and white papers. Thank you.